Hey guys, welcome back to our video tracking my earnings through the Amazon Influencer Program. If you guys are not familiar with the Amazon Influencer Program, basically I am making videos and reviewing products, and the videos are showing up on product pages on Amazon, and every time that somebody watches one of my videos and purchases a product, I get a commission on it. So I've been doing it for 5 weeks at this point, and just giving you a quick rundown of the previous weeks. So week 1 I made $16 with an average of $2 per day, and these are just like rough numbers because Amazon doesn't want me to share the exact numbers, so I'm just rounding up or down based on the number. So week 2, my total commissions for that week was $49 with an average of about $7 per day, and week 3 commission of $47 with an average of $7 per day once again, and week 4 I made a commission of $58 with an average of $8 per day. So as you could see from the very beginning, I've been going up steadily, but this week, Christmas week, is not the case. So you only get commission when the product actually ships. So there were a couple days this week because of Christmas where products actually didn't ship. I actually had 3 days with products that, or 3 days without any products being shipped. So my numbers for this week, not the greatest. So in terms of posts, how many posts did I make this week? And posts are now referring to videos in addition to pictures. So I made 14 posts, and I'm still experimenting with pictures. I might do a couple more experiments for a few more weeks and then switching back totally to videos, because it doesn't seem like pictures are really converting for me and earning any type of commission, so I might stop that. But at this point, my total amount of posts is 122 videos or pictures on my Amazon store. And in terms of clicks for this week, I got 500 clicks. So as you can see, drop down, week 1 400, week 2 500, week 3 1,000. And a lot of my products currently are toys because I'm a dad and I have a bunch of toys that I purchased for my son, so I was doing a bunch of reviews on those. And after Christmas, that the amount of people shopping for toys drops. So in terms of sales, or no, let's look at total amount of clicks so far. Total amount of clicks so far is over 3,000. In terms of sales for this week, again, this is how many products actually shipped for this week. So 42. I actually have the exact number there, so let's just ignore the 42 and let's just put 40. Yeah, let's put 40. There we go. So 40 products sold this week, and like I said, it was a steady increase going up to the hundreds and dropping back down to below 50. So that is not ideal, but like I said earlier, there were like 3 days this week where no products were shipped for me. So that's why that number has dropped significantly. And like I said earlier, a lot of my products are toys, so I wasn't receiving a large percentage for commission anyways, because commission for toys is about like 1.5%, I believe. So a huge drop there. Okay, in terms of commissions for this week, I made $29. Yeah, $29. I'm still very thankful for any amount I'm able to get from this program at all, but as you can see, I was on an upwards trend there and then dropping back down to my second lowest week. Doesn't feel great, but again, I totally understand because it is Christmas week and not a lot of items shipped, which, you know, everyone enjoys or deserves time off for holidays and such, so I get it. But just seeing the numbers there on paper kind of hurts a little bit. And I realized I didn't go into the total for sales here, so let's jump back. In terms of sales, since I've been in the program, about 330. And how much total commission did I make per day this week on average? I made about $4 per day. So that's taking into consideration that 3 of the days there were no products sold. 1 of the days was actually negative due to a return. So $4 per day for the week, not bad when you look at it from that perspective. Now, how much in total have I made in commissions through the Amazon Influencer Program thus far? And let's go to reset in $199. So almost $200 since I've been in the program, which I think is pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with being able to generate almost $200 in extra income from this side hustle that I have stumbled upon and just started. So this is just the very beginning, and I'm looking forward to these numbers continue to increase as time goes along, or at least staying consistent. I'd be pretty happy with $50 per week. That's an extra $200 per month. And then after that, I would like to see maybe an extra $500 per month. That'd be pretty fantastic. But having realistic expectations and goals at this point. But these are my numbers through the first 5 weeks of the Amazon Influencer Program. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.